everybody, it is cool stuff to do here, and today I got a new gaming laptop, so I figured I'd do an unboxing of it. I got the ASUS TUF gaming laptop. So it came in a pretty nice box. It had, get rid of the receipt. It had a pretty nice box to it. It had a handle that came out and everything, so it's all wrapped up here. Just slide that open, why not? It is in all its glory, the ASUS TUF 15.6 inch gaming laptop. So here it is. It's got a backlit keyboard, 1080p, Intel Core i5-8300U, which is pretty good if you ask me. It's also got a GTX 1050. Sadly, it's only the 2GB edition, but it's still a 1050. And in the box comes with an instruction manual, and let's see what else is in the box. Here we looks like I have a power adapter. You need that. Okay, here was what I was looking for. This is the big brick power adapter. It's quite large actually. Look at it compared to the laptop. So big power adapter. And on the laptop, got backlit keyboard. It looks like a gaming laptop, which is nice. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up with a short video announcing that I have gotten myself a gaming laptop. And also, I'm gonna be recording much better gaming videos and higher quality videos in general, because now I have a great laptop to edit and do everything with. So thank you guys very much for watching. Just a quick update about new laptop. This is the next part of the unboxing / review, is where I'll be showing you guys some benchmarks of big games these days. If you go into Fortnite, here are my recommended settings. So view distance epic, shadows off, anti-aliasing off, textures epic, effects high, and post-processing high. And I have it set to 120 frames per second maximum with resolution of 1080. Alright guys, so now we are in the game, and frame rate in the loading screen is usually quite a bit lower, as you see here, but like the settings look quite good. And yeah, so now we're into the battle bus. Usually in the game I get about 85 to 120 frames. That's the range. And yeah, this is quite impressive considering it's a 2GB GTX 1050 in this computer. So yeah, I'll just jump. I'm gonna get killed instantly because I'm holding my phone while recording this, because I have not set up OBS yet. But as you see, this is more than playable. And if you were willing to drop down to about 50 or 60 frames per second on this, then you can put it on epic settings. So here we go. It's like everything works, everything runs fun. So yeah, like the game, it goes, it works. And this can pretty much run any title that you want, as long as, here is the main tip I will have for you after buying this. After I bought this, the first day I brought it home, got 30 frames per second on low and medium seconds on Fortnite, and I was severely disappointed. What you have to do is go in, and you need to go into your NVIDIA GTX GeForce graphics, and you need to go and change the settings. Look up a tutorial on YouTube. There was plenty. Just look up how do I change the settings on how I reformat my graphics or something like that. And after you do that, you'll get great performance. So yeah, that wraps it up for this PC. I would totally recommend it to anyone. I picked it up for $800. I'm sure if you're an American, you can get it for a lot less. And yeah, that's about it. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this. And this is very exciting that I've gotten a new laptop, and I would suggest this ASUS TUF Gaming FX504 NVIDIA GTX 1050 2GB model. I would suggest that. Thank you guys very much for watching, and talk to you later.